Number 14 of the EOC Math 3 practice test. Is x plus 2 a factor of x cubed minus x squared minus x minus 2? Alright, so when you look at this, hopefully you think about division. Either long division or synthetic division will work. Or you think about the remainder theorem. So there are actually 3 different ways to solve this. So if you don't remember the remainder theorem, I'm going to show you how to use synthetic division to get the answer, just so that you have a couple different options. So is x plus 2, I'm going to change this to negative 2. And I'm going to put only my coefficients. So that's going to be 1, negative 1, negative 1, and negative 2. Alright, then I bring down the first term. And then I multiply. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. I'm going to add. Then I'm going to multiply. I'm going to add. And I'm going to multiply. So that gives me negative 12. Alright, so that would be x squared. And I factored out an x. So this means I would have 1x. 1x squared minus 3x plus 5, remainder negative 12. So that's one way to get the remainder. The other way is the remainder theorem, and you can use long division as well, but most people prefer synthetic division. But the remainder theorem we looked at in one of the earlier problems, and you only have to take this number and substitute it in and solve. So x cubed, I'm going to use my negative 2. Same as right here. I'm going to use my negative 2. I'm going to cube that. Minus negative 2 squared. Minus x. X is negative 2. And then minus 2. Alright, so if I just plug this number in, I can get the remainder. If the remainder is 0, that means it is a factor. If it's not 0, then it's not a factor. So, negative 2 cubed is negative 8. We do negative 2 squared, which is positive 4, but then the negative here still gives me a negative. And then a negative times negative is plus 2 minus 2. So these cancel, and this gives me negative 12, which again, same answer, just a different method to get there. And it would be no. The remainder is negative 12. So it's not a factor because the remainder is not 0.